Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just recently woke up. It's a no makeup type of day, and we're just going to be doing some more cleaning today. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, I decluttered 2 more drawers in my collection, and that was the last of like the specific makeup drawers. So I've done foundations, highlighters, eye products, eyeshadow palettes, lip products, bronzers, blushes, everything like that. So all my makeup is now decluttered, as well as all the other videos that I've done declutters on will be down below in the description. I have a whole playlist of all my declutter videos, so you guys can check out those after watching this. And I have 2 drawers left to go through, so I thought I'd take you guys with me for that as well. So we're going to be going through my skincare drawers and as well as my like PR/new makeup drawer and just like miscellaneous items that I have all thrown into one drawer because I don't know where else to put them. So those drawers really need some TLC because 2 of them don't really close right now. So we definitely have to go through that and figure out what's going on. So I'm going to show you guys the drawers and then we're going to get it started. So if you want to see me declutter more of my makeup collection as well as skincare and some PR products, just keep on watching. Here is the first drawer. This is like a skincare drawer. I have a bunch of stuff in here that I need to go through, and this is like a miscellaneous drawer. I have like some special effects stuff in here, some more skincare, some like organizers, so I definitely have to go through that. That one doesn't really close. And then this one over here is like the real problem. I have a bunch of like new makeup in here and samples and PR and stuff, and this one doesn't really close either, so we're gonna go through all of that. All right guys, so we're gonna start with this drawer right here, and I'm just gonna go through. So I'm gonna just take stuff out and we're gonna go from there. I think these are all empties. I was saving them for like an empties video. And are these new or old? Old. You can see how many of these NYX products I go through. It's actually kind of ridiculous. I do really enjoy them, I guess. Okay, we got some new concealers, which I think I'm just going to move up to my, move up to my concealer drawer so I know they're there, because I honestly forgot about these and there's no point in keeping new stuff down here because I forget about it. So I'm going to put these in my concealer drawer. All right, I have a sponge. This I'm definitely going to keep. Just some old packages that can be thrown out. This is like a little nail glitter thing, so I'm gonna put these with my nail products. This is a xoxo skincare book. I used to use some of their products, so I had their book around. I have this little package that I got from Sephora one day, the Beauty Insider one, and it just has some samples throughout that. I don't really use. Have some Naked Skin. These are all going to be too dark for me, so we're just going to get rid of it. Some eyeliners from Laura Mercier. They're like little eyeliner products. Maybe I'll keep these and I'll try to use them. I don't really use samples, but I'll try to use some of them. I have some IT Cosmetics anti-aging super moisturizer, some more stuff. I have a water serum, an overnight mask. Maybe I'll use this one day. And then we got some perfumes, which I'll put. I have a little like container for all my samples, so I'll move that in there. More perfume, more nail glitter. These are from Beauty Big Bang. I actually really like these. I got some BoxyCharm cards, some old ones, coupons, which I'm not going to use. I feel like we're doing pretty good. Just like old containers. Oh, other new products, so I'm going to move this as well. All right, moving on. This is the Hourglass foundation. I'm going to keep this one. Maybe I'll use this one to contour. That can go away. These are some like brow little stencils. So I think I'm just going to take them out of this big package and just keep the stencils themselves. Some boxes. These are just from Pink Charcoal. They're empty though. Derm roller, empty box. I have this new derm roller from Gin Amber Beauty. I haven't used it, so I'm going to keep it. Some little samples of like shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to move these to my hair drawer. Yes, I have a whole thing of hair products. I'm actually going to keep these empties because I'm going to film a video with them, hopefully kind of soon-ish. I have this Quo palette, which I never use this. They're not my type of formula or shade, so I'm gonna give this to one. It's brand new, so I'm gonna give it to someone who might get some use out of it. I have my fan, which definitely keeping. Again, another eyeshadow palette. This is the Pretty Perfect Full Color Face Palette. I'm not gonna use this. I'll give it to someone who might get some use out of it. I have this little set here. This says hair products and everything like that, so I think I might just keep this in here. I have a makeup bag, which I'm never gonna use this, so I'm gonna give it away. I totally forgot I even had these. These are the Kiss and Makeup lip crayons. Maybe I'll do like a lip swatch on these or something. Let me know what you guys want to see with this. I got some fake nails, which I'm just going to keep in here. I have these whitening pens. Get rid of those. What else do we have? More nail polishes. That's looking a lot better now. I'm happy with that. I'm actually going to keep these up front so I remember to use them, and then my fan's just there. But I do have to unscrew this drawer to see what's behind it. So those samples I'm going to move to my skincare drawer, and look how much we got rid of. Look how much was just sitting in that drawer taking up space. So I'm really happy that I cleaned that out finally, because I had no idea what was even in there, and obviously, as you guys saw, a lot of stuff that I obviously don't need. Alright guys, I grabbed a screwdriver because I really want to see what's stuck back there, because it's kind of annoying how this drawer won't close. I don't see anything. Yeah, it's definitely my carpet. Oh. Alright guys, that drawer actually closes now, which is a good sign. And we're gonna tackle the skincare drawer now. Alright, I'm kind of scared because I haven't cleaned this out in a while. Alright, I have this Simpliza box. I love this serum. It's actually in my bathroom because I keep a lot of my skincare there. So I'm gonna get rid of the box because I don't need it. Some Simple wipes, I'm gonna keep those. My Not Your Typical Makeup Remover, this face silk, I love these, keeping those. Another box. I don't know why I keep boxes, but I really don't need them. This is just a little mask from Avera Glow. I have some creams here. This is a hyaluronic serum from Project E-Beauty. I keep this. I'm gonna put it in my Project E-Beauty box just because I need to order a new one, because I actually love that. I have a brand new vitamin E moisturizer, which I love these from Jameson. They make my favorite moisturizer, so definitely keeping that. Some headbands and stuff that I use when I'm doing skincare. Alright, what else do we have here? Oh, lip balm. I'm gonna put that with my other lip balms because I moved them to my lip drawer. That one just got a little lost. This is a acne clearing solution from Derm Nurse. I've had this for a really long time, so gonna get rid of it. I have this Glam Glow Instant Mud Pore Treatment. This is brand new, so keeping that. This one is all used up, so getting rid. This Purelisse lip balm, moving that up. This eye cream from Purelisse. I think this is all, yeah, it's gone. Thrown out. This is a Nude Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. What does this even look like? Whoa. That's pretty. I applied way too much on my hand. Okay, we're gonna put that in my highlighter drawer just because I would use this with makeup. I have this Advanced Retinol Solution from Derm Nurse. I'm gonna keep that, as well as these products right here. And then I have this Laguna Moon Vitamin C, some acne gel. What else do we got in here? Some little face scrub thingies. I have a little brush, some eye patches, gonna keep that, just skincare products. I have these little blotting sheets, some gold masks, and then these lip masks. These are like nose strips that I got from the dollar store. These don't work. Getting rid. I have this rose face mask and I didn't really love it, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. I have this Hell Pore cleanup mask. I'm gonna keep that. I don't know if I'm really gonna use it ever again. A pink clay mask from Sephora. This is a Dr. Brandt No More Needles eye depuffing gel. I'm gonna move this up to my concealers because I'd use it as a color corrector more. New Skin stuff. It's a gel. It's supposed to like fade acne scars and stuff, so I might have to try it out. Some hand cream. I have the Bum Bum cream, which I love, so I'm gonna keep those. All right, let's start organizing in here. I'm just gonna put these on the side here. All right, there's that drawer. Now we're gonna open her up. I have a lot in here, so we need to go through this. I have this blackhead remover from Project E Beauty that I honestly do use. Okay, I have this Aztec mask. I'm gonna move this up here. This masks and such. Some contacts. These I need to get rid of. A little squirt thingy. I have all my special effects stuff in here, so that's going to stay. And then I have like glitters and sequins and stuff that I would add to my face and stuff during the Halloween times. Okay, what's back here? I have boxes and boxes. This is like the prettiest package ever, but I honestly don't need to keep these. Sponges for special effects. I have some makeup brush holders in here. I have these winged liners. These are actually sick. I've never used these before though, so I'm gonna have to try those out. This is actually really cool. I should use this to display makeup or something. How does this open again? Okay. So these are just like packages and cards from like different brands and stuff. This is honestly a really cool box that I could use to display stuff. It's like so neon. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. These are just more palette boxes. Oh my god, I just kept these because I don't know, like especially for high-end products, they were like a different thing for me to buy. Like I wasn't used to. Oh my god, my Kathleen Lights palette. I love this so much. I think I need to keep this because this is like iconic. I'm gonna put my Neutrogena mask in here as well as these. And then I can move my vacuum in there too. Find a home for this little Smashbox thing. Maybe I'll put it over there, add some color, but I want to put some lipsticks or some products in here. Something nice because this is just so cool. It's like so neon. This is everything we got rid of, so I just have to put that in the recycling and then we're all done. All right guys, we are officially done cleaning my whole entire makeup collection. I am so happy because now every drawer is clean and I do feel like got rid of a lot of stuff and I know what's actually in these drawers now. So I feel like I can actually start using more of these products and it just feels nice to get rid of stuff, you know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed these videos and I hope you enjoyed these declutter stuff. If you want to see a makeup collection or more in-depth sections of my makeup and for me to really show you my collection, let me know down below in the comments now that it's all cleaned up. But anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and also make sure to turn my post notification bell on so you get notified every single time I upload a video so you don't miss an upload. Anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!